this is Chris, and I'm here to go into a bit more detail about one aspect of your leaderboard data drop on Tassomai. Now, if you're unfamiliar with what our data drops are, there are two videos that cover those, so please go and seek those out via our website. But what I want to do is I want to share with you some of the feedback that we have received from existing schools as to how they use their data drops effectively. Specifically, we're talking about looking at the race. So on your leaderboard data drop, the race is going to show you the overall total progress that students have made on Tassomai over time. So whilst those other tabs that you can see there, the other three, they focus more on short-term competitions, setting a metric, using the previous week's data and rewarding as such. The race operates slightly differently. What this does, as I say, is it shows you students' ongoing cumulative work on Tassomai. So firstly, one thing that's really great to do with these is to every Monday morning, because that's when your data drops data will update and show you the previous week's work, is make a copy of this, whether you print the screen, go to file and make a copy or download the data, and take this to your IT team. Get them to put them up on visualizers around the school. Get that promotion, that awareness of the race going. So students can be more mindful that every Monday morning, perhaps, they will see their updated ranking. So what you can see on the left-hand side is that you can set different parameters. Firstly, which year group you're looking at on Tassomai, and of course, which subject as well. So you can change those, but what you can also change is the increment of progress. And you can switch between 5 and 10%. So it depends how sort of thinly stacked you want these different columns in terms of the competition. But what we can see here is that now that we've set the race, we can see within this year group, there is just one student who is yet to get off the blocks on Tassomai, so still at 0% progress. Then within the year group, we have 16 students who are under 10% progress. The large majority of the year group are in over 10% progress on Tassomai. We can see all of their names listed there. So what will happen is over time, as students complete more work on Tassomai, and of course they do this by doing their daily goals regularly, encountering newer questions within each topic that you've unlocked for them, they will begin to move across the right-hand side of the race until they get over to this far end, which is obviously going to take students quite a bit of time, and that's to be expected. So this helps to instill the mindset, as I said earlier, that Tassomai is a marathon, it's not a sprint. That students need to keep at it. You know, a couple of weeks of really good performance and then leaving it isn't really going to work. They need to make Tassomai a routine. One thing that we've heard from some of our schools that use the race really effectively, aside from the visual promotion, is to incorporate the school's rewards policy with the different brackets. So, for example, when a student gets to over 10%, it might be that the prize that's rewarded is a house point or a habit point, wherever the sort of low level praise system you use. Then, when students get to over 30%, that reward escalates. Maybe that's a phone call home or some kind of certificate or postcard that goes home. And then going further up. What we've even had is that for some year groups, these prizes, notably being more for year 11s, is that if students get into the final three brackets, then they will get a part of their prom ticket, for example, paid for or discounted by the school. We've even had, in one rare case, is a school who's working in partnership with a local driving instructor, and students who get into the bronze, silver, or gold will get one paid lesson with that driving instructor. So the beauty of this is that you can completely customize and craft not only how you use it, but how you incentivize and promote it for your students as well. And you'll know within your school, within your systems and your students, what would work and motivate them best. Hope this has been useful. If you've got any further questions or queries, get in touch with us at admin@tassomai.com and we'll be very happy to help. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching and have a good day. Bye.